So this is what we have. This is it. For every single pulse, it turns on the fan and turns off. You can see this light also. This is our N channel MOSFET gate drain source that we are going to be using for this switch. Connect your source, which is neutral. You connect it to the -VA or to the negative. This is our gate channel and it's going to be connected to a control signal. This is a control signal. We are using IC555 to generate pulse, and through the pin 3 of this IC is what we are generating this control signal to this point. Now this is our drain. It's going to be connected to one wire. It's going to be connected to this wire of the fan, and this is what we have. Now when the pulse is sent from this circuit to the gate of this MOSFET, it's going to turn on this fan. So this is our control. So we use it to control how much pulse is sent. So this is what we have. This is it. For every single pulse, it turns on the fan and turns off. You can see this light also. That is how it works, as a switch. So this MOSFET is working as a switch.